Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if the Disneyland mobile app keeps crashing, freezing or getting stuck on a loading screen, the problem is often caused by an outdated app version, a poor internet connection, temporary software glitches or device related issues. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to get the app working properly again. So the first thing you can do is check your internet connection, start with your connection, so make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open another website or app to confirm your internet is working. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary, because a stable connection is required for most Disneyland app features. Okay, you can also restart the Disneyland app, if the app isn't responding. Completely close the Disneyland app, wait a few seconds and reopen the app. So this often clears temporary glitches. You can also update the app, next open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Disneyland, install any available updates, and updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. You can also restart your device, if problems continue. Restart your phone or tablet, wait for the device to fully reboot, and open the Disneyland app again. So restarting your device clears temporary system issues that may affect the app. You can also fix persistent loading problems, if the app is still stuck loading, check for operating system updates, make sure your device has enough available storage, and disable any VPN temporarily if you are using one. So sign out of your Disney accounts and sign back in if possible. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.